Hello. So you must have read the question. The question is how many atoms are there in 1 mole of calcium hydroxide? Option A is 5 multiplied 6.02 multiplied 10 to the power 23 means 5 times Avogadro's number. Option B is Avogadro's number. So the solution to this problem is two steps. First of all, we have to convert the number of moles given into formula units and then convert those formula units into atoms. So here in this case, here in the first step, the conversion factor is Na, Avogadro's number. Okay, so we have to multiply the number of moles with Avogadro's number to get the required formula units. Okay, so we will multiply 1 with Avogadro's number and we will get 1 multiply Avogadro's number 6.02, 3 multiply 10 to the power 23. Okay, now the second step is to convert these formula units into number of atoms present in one formula, present in these number of formula units. So here is the tricky part. We have to find the number of atoms present in one formula unit of calcium hydroxide, and that is 1 calcium and 2 times hydroxide. Okay, so we have to add up all these atoms. 1 calcium plus 1 oxygen plus 1 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen plus 1 hydrogen. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 equals 5. So means total number of atoms become 5. So we have to multiply 5 with Avogadro's number. We will get 5 multiply 6.02 multiply 10 to the power 23 atoms present in 1 mole of calcium hydroxide. So the answer is 5 multiply 6.02 multiply 10 to the power 23 atoms. So there were two steps involved in the solution to this problem. First of all, you have to convert the number of moles. For conversion of number of moles, you have to multiply it with Avogadro's number, and after that you have to convert those formula units you got into number of atoms. So for that it is very easy. First of all, you have to find the number of atoms present in just one formula unit. Here in one formula unit we have got 5 atoms, so we have to multiply 5 with the total number of formula units and we will get the number of atoms present in those number of formula units. Thank you for your time.